Okay, so here is how you can generate your virtual Naira or dollar card. Okay, so just go to the app Cheaper Cash. You can download it, and so just create an account, verify, and you want to click on card. So just click on claim your card, and you want to upload your verified document, your address, and your phone number. You can read the terms and condition, and if you agree to it, just click on this tick here and click on claim your card. So you can select whether you want an NG card or a USD. Okay, so just click on next, and your card is ready. So just click on continue, and when I switch to USD card, so you can see our card is ready. And if your CVV is still showing 123, then to correct that, you can just add funds, let's say 12,000. Okay, just deposit on your Cheaper Cash, and they will convert your Naira to dollars. So you can use this card to make payments for all gateway that accept Visa card. Okay, so you can just explore this and let me know if it works in the comment section. And if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. My name is Isaac Matt, and I'll see you in another video.